Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Kendra and I'm back to share 24 more cards that I made with the Not Too Shabby Shops box of the month for November of 2023 called Desert Dreams. Now I shared an unboxing video a while back showing the contents of the kit and another video sharing the first 24 cards I made with the Cowgirl Up paper pad and matching ephemera. So if you missed those videos, I will link them both in the description box below. But today I'm sharing the cards I made with the other paper pad that came in the monthly subscription box, and this is called Desert Dreams, and I'm also using the matching ephemera and some of the sentiment stamps from the stamp set called Desert Landscape. Now for most of my cards, I'm using some of the card sketches from my latest quarterly card making challenge, Kendra's Card Challenge number 12. If you're not familiar with my challenge, I offer a free PDF printable that you see here. And this shows how you can cut 6 sheets of 6" by 6" pattern paper. And you can make 15 cards from those pattern paper sheets. And you can have a chance to win lots of prizes by sharing your creations throughout the quarter, including a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby shop. The quarterly challenge runs from October 1st to December 31st of 2023. You can download the free printable over on my website, kendrascardchallenges.com. I'd like to invite you to watch my challenge introduction video that explains all about the challenge and also shows how to cut the papers. I'll have it linked in the description box below. For most of my cards, I used craft colored cardstock for my card bases. I cut all of my papers and prepped everything off camera, and now I'll show me putting these together. Now I showed how to create card number 1 in the recent November Super Sponsor Hop video, so I won't show the full process for this one again, but I'll link the video above in case you'd like to check it out. While cutting the papers, I made a few adjustments so that I could use the cactus images without cutting off the tops of the cacti, so you'll see that some of my cards are a little different than the sketch. In addition to the 15 cards created using this challenge, I also created a few more using the leftover ephemera and those paper scraps. For some cards, I trimmed the white off of the ephemera and outlined it with a black Copic marker, and then for others, I left it as is. But for the cards where I used the card sketches from Challenge 12, I'll place the card sketch up in the top corner. There were some cards where I didn't follow the card sketch and just used the cut pieces in a different way. I did pull in some additional pattern papers from the Desert Dreams paper pad for a few of the layers. So the additional cards that I'll show you in the end were created mostly from those scraps. I also use a lot of the peel-off stickers from Love from Lizzie in gold to give the cards a little more interest and some shine. Plus I use some gold embellishments. Now while I show the card making process for the rest of the cards, I'll put on some music and join you back here in a bit. And that's the last card for this set of 24. And what's great is I still have 10 sheets of paper left in the paper pad, so I could still make more. I have to say that this box has been one of my favorites to create with. I love the country western theme, and I love how the cards turned out. Let me know which card is your favorite in the comments section below. If you'd like to purchase this kit, I hope you'll use my affiliate link in the description box below to subscribe to the Box of the Month. Like I mentioned earlier, these cards are just part of what I made with this box. Check out my other 24 cards video made with the other paper pad and ephemera from this kit. I hope you'll check it out if you missed it. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you'd click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of my new uploads. For more card making inspiration with this box, you can click on the hashtag N2S Desert Dreams in the title or the description box to pull up the other designers' videos to see how they use this kit. Thanks again to Jamie with Not Too Shabby for having me on as a guest designer this month. I've really enjoyed creating with this box. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you'll join me again for future videos. Have a wonderful day.